What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Minecraft. Today on the show, I'm gonna teach you how to make um uh, the music of Letting Go, the Frozen. I mean, do you wanna build a snowman? Yes, and listen carefully. So I'm gonna do it again. Here we go. Oh, I need to repeat that. Yeah, it sounds like do you wanna build a snowman? Remember the farm. Yes, anyway, it's amazing. Yeah, so today I'm gonna teach you how to do this music. Yes. So first thing you need to do is you need a wool, black wool, note block, redstone repeater, redstone dust, button, and for optional, the sign. First thing you wanna do is put the first note block and tick it 18 times. It must be low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then you put a redstone repeater, 2 ticks, put a note block, and tick it 18 times again. 15, 16, 17, 18. And you go to the top on the note block, put a redstone repeater 2 times. Click it 1 times and it looks like this. And put another note block. Press it to 18 again, until 18 times. 2, 6, and 13. Make sure it's at the start of the notebook. Oh no, just missed the spot. Okay, let me do it again. And you put a redstone repeater 2 ticks. Put a note block and tick it 18 times again. 2, 3, 18. There you go. 2 ticks. And 22 this time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. There you go. 2 ticks. 20. 18. It should be the last part of the tier. And then you're gonna put the last note block, which is 6 times 22. Guys, make sure it's at the start. There you go. And after that, you want to put the redstone dust and a wool. Make sure you don't tap the note block so it won't reflect. And put the button and click it if it works. Wait, something wrong here. Okay, there we go. It sounds perfectly and exactly the same. So this is probably bad me because but I watched this video when I remember what I watched it. Just search on the YouTube if you find it. Let me know. Just it's a very for music and for disco. If you want to design it for doorbells, or for some other uses, you can just find it tutorial here. Yeah, you just need to pull it up so it won't be seen that way. There you have it. Let's not gonna cover it first. And for the sound, let's edit it out. Oh no. Door. Oh no. Oh no, why did I click that? Doorbell. Just put it